Hello, manufacturing folks. So, today there's a very interesting event, or I would say, auspicious day for IFFCO has taken place as it was the day of first testing of the new innovation that has happened at IFFCO. I am in conversation with Mr. Dhakane, who is going to give us some more information about what all this innovation was all about. And we are talking about this dip spin machine, sir,
Yes.
which is completely make in India product. I cannot tell you the energy which was here since the morning, the dhols and the experience what you have decided to give to the guests which were here, as we say Atiti Devo Bhava, and we could see that here. So what was the purpose behind setting up this event today?
So we have many innovations made in India related to energy saving, related to green future, related to more efficiency and more innovations which even Europeans also would like to part of our innovation development and so on. And considering our customer scalability and their global company and the very large company, so we decided to give them flavor of our culture, our patriotism, and our way of welcoming. And we don't want to sell them any product, but we want to give them the trust, the confidence, and the willingness to do greater things from India for future, for global future. And we have a willingness to connect them through their global development program for energy and renewable energy segment. And considering these aspects, we designed a theme to welcome them. And then we made a plant equipment, and normally the owner of the company, shareholder and founder, do not travel to their all companies worldwide, but this time they came to India specifically to meet with our team and to see our innovation. They saw, they were extraordinarily happy, overwhelmed, and many people dropped आंसू बह गए आंखों से खुशी के. We appreciated, and our team has done a great job.
Gesture was so overwhelming that there were literally tears in their eyes. So, and of course, this innovation which come up in front of us, it's a part of the automation process. So, how would you like to see this product in the future?
For futuristic application, this is a new product which is energy saving compared to traditional methods of doing producing this kind of renewable energy component for large global OEMs. We are reducing 30 to 40% energy and the raw material cost by giving them this kind of machinery. We call it a dip spin coating technology to apply the paint on component without wasting it. Initially or in history, they were using a spray application where there is a more pollution and more wastages paint. With this kind of application innovation, there is no pollution. It's a green machinery and no VOCs and no wastage of paint means more efficiency. They can make a more quantity of product with less infrastructure cost or a less consumable cost. That way they can be more globally competitive, and we can have more opportunities to work with them for next orders and next projects and so on.
Sure. And talking about the legacy of IFFCO, if you can let us know a journey of IFFCO a bit, and at now at what extent you are working here and progressing here in India.
For the IFFCO is I'm the founder and brainchild behind it. IFFCO calls for environmental friendly finishes and coatings. So we promote green environment and no pollution, less pollution. This technology we produce in our factory is alternate to electroplating or hot dip galvanizing, not using lead chrome cadmium, not using acid, not doing a pollution during application. And when we done this chemistry development, the machinery was lacking, so we developed a machinery also. And we are giving complete package to the customer, like they have chemistry and they have plant equipment, so it can be one-stop solution for all our global customers and Indian customers. And we are doing a backward integration and forward integration together, and we're trying to give a complete package as innovations from India to the world.
That's really amazing to hear. I have literally feel the energy which is all over. You're trying to promote the Indian manufacturing. There was a national anthem happening here. There was a Vande Mataram playing all the time. So What is your thought about this Make in India campaign? And this time also you have predominantly contributed to it, and how in the future you're going to contribute to the Make in India campaign?
We wanted to show to the world and show to the business community, the small business community like us, and to the customers, like many things can be done with innovative ways. So we are doing a welcome ceremony and the manufacturing in a innovative ways. And we wanted to say to the world and say to the customer that if you trust us, that we are there to support you for next 3 generations. I'm there in business. My both son and daughter are there in the business, and hopefully their grandchildren will be there in the same business. And we are defining some strategies and policies that this concept, ideology, and business philosophies will last for 3 generations. And we are working towards to create a base to run this organization with similar philosophy: green environment, more innovation, made in India, support the Indian economy, even the teams, members, nature, climate for next 3 generations, approximately 150 years. And considering how this company can last for 150 years, then we plan and seeding small things in our organization. And this is the birth of the futuristic organization, what I can say to the community.
So we wish you the best for your future, and also we congratulate you on this beautiful Make in India innovation. Thank you so much for sparing your time with us.
Appreciate it.
Thank you.
Thank you.